Quickly taken, Shashika Bandara gives it to the number 1 who goes over the whitewash.
ජීවිත කාලයටම අල්ලන් ඉන්න පුළුවන් කෙනාව තෝරගන්න.
Swiss Tactile Adhesive අල්ලන්න හොඳම කෙනා.
It is a cracker-lacking affair here at Bogambara. Sri Sumangala taking on Thurston College. Jason Limasara, Vinuka Hejita, Karusha forming the front rows for Thurstonite. Virin Nethro, Nilanga Bandara, Ruchira Ishan. This is the strong path. Rishmina Deshan, Desadu Sahas and Mohammad Akram forming an important front three. This front three has been brilliant in the season so far for them. As we see the match officials for today, referee Shankar Bekun, Nipuna Ambatunga and Thinla Jailat will be acting as his assistants. Referee Shankar Bekun has had a couple of games here already. As Thurston kick things off, not collected by Sumangala, collected by Shashika Bandar and sends it to the fly half. Yet again, good defense coming in from Sri Sumangala. Two brilliant tackles. And here's the number 8 yet again, and that has been the try. It's the number 8. The second time he had a go at it. And that's the first Tawana Bank try of the game for City.
Same thing here, and he's done it. And he's done it for Thurston, and they've put the pressure.
Here's a look at the replay. The number 9, he had the second go. Here's the number 9. He gives it to Apurva, who puts a drop goal through. Brilliant work. That's the first drop goal of the game.
And a very clear strategy as well in order to decimate the.
They call this pick and goose. Pick and going through the fringes. As we see a player down for Sri Sumangala as well. Penalty advantage yet again over. And as Aminda Rajapaksha puts this through, takes them to 13 points. Meters away from the try line. Through the fringes. Sri Sumangala is standing up. Here's another pick and go. Inches away and has been held up, and the try is being given. Beautiful work from Sri Sumangala. Finally, who will be putting this over the number 10, and the conversion is good as well. Finds a way to make a comeback into the game.
And what a comeback try that was. The first real possession that
Shashika Bandara to Ratnayaka. Ratnayaka decides to break to Shashika Bandara yet again. Accidental offside. Penalty in favor of Thurston. Advantage. It'll be a yellow card coming for Sri Sumangala. Not the 10 meters. There you go. Clear infringement. As the number 6 Lakvindu Vijay to the number 5 Nilanga Bandar takes it into control. Control with Vinuka. Apurva giving it out to the number 8. Number 8 fending off. Knocking the ball on.
Half time.
And that will be half time. 13 points to 7. It was a tightly contested game. Thurston scored 13 unanswered points in the first 15 minutes itself.
Thurston with a 6-point lead. However, we know what Sumangala can do in the second half. And in the second half, they'll be playing with the wind.
ඉහළ ටෙන්සයිල් ශක්තිය සහ ක්‍රැක් බ්‍රිජිං හැකියාව සමගින් ඔබේ නිවස සියලු ජල කාන්දු වලින් ආරක්ෂා කරගන්න. Swisstech Aqua Shield 2K waterproofer. සීල් කරන්න හොඳම කෙනා.
Good intensity as we are underway for the second half here in the game between Sri Sumangala and Thurston, collected by the number 8. He decides to go into contact. Penalty in favor of Sri Sumangala. Quickly taken. Goes into contact, not 5 meters. They'll have a advantage and they'll have a yellow card as well, because referee Ishank Abekun gave away a yellow card for not going at the 10 meters as well. Here's Resandu. He takes the ball into contact. Good work at ruck time. Ball being turned over, but penalty. It's the number 6 going to the bench, Ruchira Shan.
Offside.
Quickly taken, Shashika Bandara gives it to the number 1 who goes over the whitewash. Brilliant work from Rishmina Dilshan. And it's yet again that man, Shashika Bandara, who takes the quick tap and gives it to his loose head prop for another Amana Bank try of the game.
And in the second half, it is Sri Sumangala that scores first, and Pasid Samarakon's conversion converts that try, and Sumangala are now 1 point ahead of Thurston.
Good work at ruck time. Here's the number 8. He takes a couple of men to bring him down. Advantage being played. Shashika Bandara, 2 Pasin Samarakon. Here's Aditya Ratnayaka, the captain. He hasn't been held. There was no advantage being played in favor of Sri Sumangala. That's a yellow card. Dasun Nimsara Tamino. Tackling. Gone in to 1 point here. Shashika Bandara takes it quickly. Bandara cutting back in. Here's Resando. He takes the ball into contact and goes over the whitewash. Brilliant work. That's the number 7. Tarusha Deshan goes in for another Amana Bank try of the game.
The score stays at 19. However, Sumangala scores the second try of the second half while making sure that Thurston remains tryless.
First spot by the forwards. Taken back inside the 22 meters. Can't kick out on the 4. Here's ball bouncing inside the 22 meters. Found first and knocked on. What brilliant play. Aditya Ratnayaka will touch down. That will be a try. What brilliant space identification by the captain. The second half, Samarakon puts the extras through as well. 26 points, the win. Sri Sumangala playing brilliantly. It was a good kick from Pasun Samarakot at 22 meters. Here's Indura. Indura to Samarakon. Samarakon to Shashika Bandara. Decides to run. Here's space opening up wide. Brilliant work. The number 14 is through. Dots down over the whitewash. And that's the number 14 for Sri Sumangala. 12 position as Samarakon puts the extras over. Out of the 5 who have been converted. There you see lovely work from Chamod Pereira, drawing the defenders and gave the ball away to
back.
And Apurva with the quick tap there. He goes into contact. And Thurston.
Yellow card coming in for Sri Sumangala. The number 21. The wing 3 there. Quickly taken by the little man, and he goes ever so close. Release is the call. There's numbers opening up, and the number 8 goes in for another Amana Bank try. Brilliant work from Siddhija Jayatilaka to the fringes, and he has scored a try in every game he's played so far in this season. To 18.
15 seconds.
Sri Sumangala winning at home.
And the conversion from Apurva is successful. However, too little, too late. As Sumangala have won their second game of the A division, and they are
Sri Sumangala, brilliant work after a average first half performance, trailing 13 points nil, and coming in to win 33 points to 20 is some comeback. Now let's take a look at the key stats of the game. Sri Sumangala 33 points, 5 tries, 4 conversions, and Thurston 20 points, 2 tries, 2 conversions, 1 penalty and 1 drop goal. The perfect Swiss Tech perfect player of the match was Shashika Bandara from Sri Sumangala College, Kandy.
කොහෙන් හරි කමන්නේ ෆොටෝ එක තිබ්බනම් මට මේ බිත්තියේ කැත වහගන්න තිබ්බා.
චෞමරි අක්කා.
පිත්තියට ස්විස්ටේ ස්කිම් කෝඩ් ගාලා ෆිනිෂ් කළා නම් ඔය ප්‍රශ්න මුකුත් නැහැ.
ස්විස්ටෙක් ස්කිම් කෝට් ෆිනිෂ් එකට හොඳම කෙනා.